how to hack this server. It's easy. You need the toolbox for MCPE. I will show you. That's box for Minecraft. And now you need to do is press this extra. There's no one. You need to click this and then none and then click this. You need to okay guys, you know how to use. Just like my YouTube and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can give me another if you like my video and subscribe me. I will teach you forever that I'm a Filipino. So you guess I'm in America? No, I'm in Filipino or in Philippines. Philippines is also the children's stay out forever, and press like this video for another Minecraft video for 40 if you can. Bye guys.